In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change hours on the Square Appointments platform. Whether you're a business owner looking to update your hours or adjust them temporarily, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it as smooth and effortless as possible. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Square Appointments page. You can do this by simply searching for Square Appointments or by entering the web address directly if you have it saved. Once you're on the page, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on the Sign In button located at the upper right corner of the home page. Enter your login credentials. This is your email address and password you use to access your Square account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Square dashboard. The dashboard is the control center for all your operations, so take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you're new to it. On the left side you'll see a menu. From here you want to navigate to the settings section. Do not worry if this feels a bit overwhelming at first. The menu is quite user friendly. Within the settings menu, click on account and settings. This section is where you manage all the details related to your account, such as personal information, payment settings and more. Look for the My Business tab, as that's where we're going to make the changes regarding your business hours. Once in My Business, find the section labelled About. Clicking here will bring up a variety of options that allow you to fine-tune information about your business. You'll want to pay particular attention to the Display Business Name entry, as it's pertinent to how your information is presented to your clients. Now let's adjust the business hours. Locate the location option. It's your gateway to managing how and where your business operates. Upon clicking it, you'll see a new set of options, and underneath you should see a category specifically marked business hours. This is where you can define your hours of operation. Editing the hours is simple. Click on business hours and a form will appear. You can set specific hours for each day of the week, account for holidays, or temporarily adjust hours for special events. Make sure to double check your changes to ensure accuracy. Once you've finalized all necessary adjustments, don't forget to save your changes. This step ensures that your new hours are updated across the platform and visible to your clients. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted the business hours on your Square Appointments application. This straightforward process allows you to keep your clients informed and ensures smooth business operations. Thank you for watching, and see you next time for more helpful tutorials.